Depending on your business needs and preferences, there might be a situation where you might want to grant your contractor access to the system. And you also want to control the contractor access, so he will only be able to work with his sites and associated employees. This process is simple. To start, first go to the setting and select users and permissions. This will take you to the users screen. Click on add new user, fill up the details, user ID, first name and last name. Then, for the role and security profile field, select the role named contractor and also make sure to select user type as contractor. Then, select which contractor this new user belongs to. Complete the other information and click on Save to save your record. Once set and saved, the system will automatically send an email invitation to Alex's email account, where he will be able to define his password and start using the system. Now, when contractor Alex sign on to the system, and if Alex have access to the employee page, he will only have access to view and maintain all the contracted employees that works for him. Same rules apply to the scheduler. If Alex have access to the scheduler, he will only be able to schedule his own employees. Whenever you create a new contractor in the system, you always should consider two important things. First, the sites that the contractor will have access to, and the second thing is the security profile he is assigned to. We already have covered security roles and profiles in previous videos. Please make sure to understand how it works so you can better manage your users' access. Now, let us grant the contractor Alex access to the sites he will have access to, so he can only work and access limited sites. We do this by clicking on the Assign Sites tab. Then we just drag and drop the sites that he can manage. Okay, we are now done, so let's switch to a different browser session and let us sign on as Alex in order to see how Alex will be limited to only work with his employees and assigned sites. As we can see, Alex menu options is very limited. Many menu options are not accessible, such as setting and reports or clients. This is because we have limited the security profile named contractor to only see and access these options only. Now, let's access the employee screen. As you can see, that Alex can only view and maintain all employees working and contracted for his company Bluestone Manpower. Now, let us go to the scheduler screen to see how Alex will only be able to edit and schedule his own employees. First thing, note that in the sites list, Alex can only view and access the sites that we already assigned to him. So let us choose any of these sites and try to add a new shift. As you can see, the employee list will be limited to his own employees that are set as contractor and associated with his company Bluestone Manpower. So let us choose any of these employee and assign him a new shift.